Make the ground shake.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you enjoyed that little walk around of my car and my mods. And as you guessed from the teaser, yes, I'll be changing my wheels today. So I'm off to Sambo Tyres to get them changed. I've been looking at the B25s and JR36s. And basically I put a poll on my Instagram to see which tyres, you know, my audience, I guess, would like to see on my car. And it was a really close poll. And I think the B25s inched the win, but I decided to go with the JR36s purely because I haven't seen it on 2 Series a lot, so I just wanted to be a bit different. I've stuck with the gloss black because I'm going for that murdered out look. One of the reasons I chose these is because I wanted a staggered fitment. I've stick with 18s purely because of performance and, you know, comfortability. I feel like, especially when I get springs or some sort of a new suspension setup, the 18s will look really nice. The Bowlers were 18 by 8.5, which was a square fitment, so I was a bit iffy with that, to be fair. So yeah, these I've got 18 by 8 in the front and 18 by 9 for the back. And this is what the J36s look like. It's still all wrapped up nicely. Honestly, just looks amazing from the box. I can't wait to get them fitted and see what it looks like on the car, really. What is going on, guys? It's been way too long since I filmed this intro, to be fair. I believe it or not, I got a trim and it's grown back. That's how long it's been. But I finally got the mod done and I can finally bring this video for you guys. But basically, I'm going to explain exactly why there's been such a delay to get my wheels finally on my car. And also my GoPro came in the post, so I thought, you know what, it's a great opportunity for me to do a drive and chat kind of vlog style video. So let's go on the road and I'll explain exactly what happened over the last few weeks. First things first, put my belt on, obviously safety first, and hopefully you guys can hear this little, you know, start. It's not really a cold start, but here goes nothing. Yeah, honestly, ever since I got my exhaust done, this car has just gone from 100 to 1,000 just purely on sound. But anyway, now we're off, time to do some explaining. Where to begin? Last time, you know, where I left you guys off, I was heading to Sambo Tyres to get my wheels balanced and also get my car aligned so I can put my new wheels on. Long story short, got to Sambo Tyres and stupid me forgot the TPMS at home. So I had to actually, luckily I had my sister with me because I couldn't fit all 4 tyres and all 4 rims in my small car. So she was helping me out, and I was honestly, I'm so grateful for her to come along. And she basically went all the way home, grabbed the TPMS, and came back. And whilst she was doing that, I was able to get my car aligned. So we kind of, I guess, didn't really waste too much time, but it took longer than it had to be. But yeah, so finally she came back, and then we got my tyres onto the new rims, all balanced, and the guy said it was pretty much perfect. And it was time to finally take the stock wheels off and put the new wheels on. Car's all jacked up at this point, and I'm so excited because I've just seen my new wheels and they look absolutely amazing. So yeah, finally when they came to put on the old stock bolts onto the new wheels, there seems to be an issue. Literally my face kind of dropped because I could tell that these wheels weren't going on today. That was exactly the case. The bolts were a couple millimeters too short, the stock ones, and basically why? Because I don't know, there wasn't enough thread basically to secure the wheel, so it would have been unsafe for me to drive with those wheels on. So yeah, like I say, safety first. So you know, I decided just to wait. So I took my wheels and I went home and I called up three tyre shops near me, and I was able to, you know, get a hold of a couple of them, and they were like, come down and we'll see what we can do. Unfortunately none of them actually had spare bolts, which was a damn shame because I really wanted those bolts in on that day, because there was also a car meet. So I kind of thought, oh, let me get my new wheels on and take my car to the meet. Fortunately, it wasn't meant to be, so I had to wait an extra week just so Sambo Tyres could get their delivery. Obviously, because of COVID, everything was, you know, delayed like usual. So it took a bit longer than it had to be. And then, honestly, I just got a bit busy, so I'm here bringing it out to you guys right now. Yeah, the wheels are finally on the car and they look pretty fantastic.
Yeah, my life be like, yeah, my life be like, yeah, my life be like. Times like these that make me say, Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like demon brain drums, so when I stray, yeah, I'm sacrificing the price you pay. Living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, more feelings I mean.
A little bit more on the, you know, the, I guess, specification of the wheels. I got 18 by 8s on the front and 18 by 9 on the rear. The front offset's 35 and the rear offset's 45 or 48, I believe. But yeah, it's a nice staggered setup, and honestly it suits the car really nicely in my opinion. The rear just sticks out, you know, just a tad to give that wider stance. Oh yeah, I kept the tires the same size as stock, so 225s on the front and 240s on the rear. 240s, 245 I think, yeah, 245 on the rear. And instead of Michelin's, I went for Goodyear Eagle asymmetrics, something like that, you know. It was a bit cheaper, and basically I just watched this video where they compare the Continental, the Goodyears and the Michelin's, and they were basically saying the Goodyears were a balance of, you know, comfortability and had better handling. So I thought, let me give them a go since I have Michelin's on my stock wheels. If anything, I'd just change it whenever I want. But yeah, it was between the JR36s or the Bowler B25s, but I've seen quite a few B25s on 2 Series, so I thought, let me try and stand out a bit, hence why I went for this. Hope you guys enjoyed that little montage and this little vlog of me, you know, just chatting shit. But if you guys want to see, you know, more of these type of videos, drive, chat, vlogging kind of style, leave a comment below and I'll see what I can do. See you guys next time.